Hello everyone, I am Emcure Pharmaceuticals. I am one of the co-founders of Vintyaa Technologies Private Limited. So today we are going to give you a small demo on how we have helped Pharmaceuticals in automating their expiry processing. So to give a small brief on our company, Vintyaa Technologies have been working in pharmaceutical sector for past 6 years. We have major pharma companies as our clients, and we have been working in latest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain technology, and using that technologies we have been creating new products. So I'll be linking my phone number at the end of this video, so if you want a demo or if you want to inquire about this product, please contact me. So hello everyone, we are now entering into the breakage and expiry room. So one person is just re-verifying the medicines which has been scanned and which has been processed and which has generated the CN. The next person is scanning the products, as you can see. So now we'll start the demo. So this is the first screen wherein we have to first log in into the application. Once we log in, this was the specific requirements given by Emcure to us, wherein we had various fields and entities which we had to fill, wherein we select the stockist name, we select the date of the stock received, what is the LR date, then we have to upload a LR copy, wherein suppose now for example I just upload a copy. This is for proof purpose. Later on we have to add a reference number. So suppose I add a reference number. After that, what is the LR number? LR number I'll just enter to some 10-digit LR number. What is the document type? Whether it is a tax invoice, whether it is EPL, ZHL invoice or other. So I'll just select others. Whether it is breakage, expiry, recall stock, non-moving stock, these all things were given to us by Emcure. So I'll just select breakage, expiry, and then I'll start the scanning of the product. So right now I'll just scan various strips, various medicines, so that we get an idea. So this is a So this is the list which we have scanned. So we have given a very easy option of manual entering the medicine as well, in case if it is not readable. So what we do, we just need to enter the whatever readable part of the batch is. So I can see only the last 3 digits, wherein it is 0002, and suppose the product name is GABA Hosit. So I'll just enter GAB Hos. So GABA Hosit will get this. We just enter the quantity and submit. So this is also added. Then we submit from here. Now we have finished the application scanning. All the medicines which were received have been scanned, and now we'll see how that is processed on desktop.
As you can see, we have scanned the data and now we have got the paper for further processing. Now this is, once you log in, this will be the initial screen which will be pending for verification. Now what is this verification? Is basically verification with the system. It will pick up the invoice number and the related data from the system and post it to SAP, subsequently post it to SAP. Now we will select the party. The party name was Alliant Chemist LLP. So we are selecting that particular party. The order number is also mentioned over here, which was generated while scanning the data. Now, as you can see, the all the data has been populated. The details are name of the party will appear in on the top with the LR date mentioned over there and LR number, batch number, expiry, product code, product name, total quantity which was scanned will appear in this particular section, and in front of that, this will be the data which will be fetched up by from SAP and populated accordingly once you verify the data. So you go to the bottom of the screen. Now there are four options which are available over here. One is the Excel download. So this is basically plain simple Excel download of this particular data for your ready reference. One is reconcile. Reconcile means when you receive a expiry file from the party, you upload in front of this particular order number. Now I select that file which was received from the stockist and I say submit. Now then it will populate whatever the differences it has found. Now for this particular example, for Nuzar AM, scan quantity was 1, but party in party's paper it was mentioned as 5. So this is the difference of 4. So accordingly, all the differences will be listed out, and accordingly, you can a mail can be sent to the party by taking a printout, and also the mail can be sent to the party stating the differences and getting the confirmation for further processing. Now we will go and verify the data. Once you click on verify, it will send all this data to SAP, bring the related data for that particular party, for that particular product, for that particular batch number, and it will populate all the invoices for that particular data. And on top of that, it will summarize the quantity batch wise. Now it has summarized the quantity batch wise, and then it has gone to SAP and taken out the invoice references for each and every product and each and every batch. So for example, we see Gallop 10, Gallop plus 10 tablet, total 3 quantity was scanned. It has populated 3 as a quantity, no free. We will just select that select invoice, and all the invoices which were raised for this particular batch number, for this particular product, it will be populated over here. So these are the 3 invoices which were raised for this particular party, and it has populated. Likewise, all the rows will be populated. Now suppose for example we go this Olanex F, total scan quantity was 8, quantity is 7 and free is 1. Once we select invoice, it will list down all the invoices and the scheme which was given in this particular invoice. Also the rate will be appearing over here. So if you see the total quantity is 8, so it has tried to deduct 20%, and accordingly rounded quantity has been taken as a quantity and rounded quantity has been taken as free. So it has deducted the scheme accordingly. The rate will be picked up from SAP invoice, whatever the rate was charged in while invoicing to this particular stockist, and the scheme also will be deducted. On top of that, uh, more than 180 days, if any item is more than 180 days, that is LR date minus the expiry date is more than 180 days, the valuation will be zero, no value will be given. So, such there are no products which are more than 180 days, but that check has already been provided in SAP. Now if you see the first item, uh, if you see the first item, the expiry date is of May 2022. So it has been more than 6 months after the expiry. Sorry, the expiry, the difference between the LR date and the expiry date is more than 180 days. So hence the rate has been calculated as 0. So accordingly, it will be posted as 0 to SAP and no value will be given for this particular item. So and one more check has been provided, which is breakage and expiry, the bifurcation of the same. The current bifurcation is current plus 1 month will be treated as expiry, up to current plus 1 month will be treated as expiry, and later than that it will be treated as a breakage. Now we can directly post this data to SAP. Now I'm clicking on submit. On submit button, it will fetch. It will post this data into SAP sales organization wise and breakage expiry. It will bifurcate between breakage and expiry, and it will post sales organization wise. Now the order has been created. Now if you can see, the first order number was which is created. This is the second order number, third, fourth. So you just go on writing down this particular order number. So these are all the 5 orders which has been created. Now we'll go to SAP and check this whether it has been created. Now see, this all orders have been created. This is 56 number, name of the product, batch number, MRP, expiry date, how much quantity is there. Hi, we are using this OCR expiry solution provided by Vintyaa Technologies Ltd for Emcure Pharmaceuticals Ltd and Genova Biopharmaceuticals Ltd. We would like to iterate that the product scanning accuracy is more than 96%. Whatever data is scanned, no data is lost, even if there is connectivity loss or if the mobile is dead due to low battery. The data gets stored in the mobile till it is submitted to portal. So no particular product is lost, all the data is available, which is a huge advantage of this particular system. Multiple people can do the scanning at the same time, different consignments, or if the consignment is very big, very many items are there, and if two people want to scan the same consignment, the products will get added to the same order on the portal. So no two different orders will be created, and accordingly a single order will be created on portal, which is again a good benefit of this particular software. Also a reconciliation option has been provided, in which you have to upload the document received from the stockist, in soft copy of the document received from the stockist in the system, and after the scanning is done, after the scan data is done, it will list down the differences between whatever the user has scanned the data vis-a-vis what has been mentioned in party's document. So this is a good benefit of the system, whereby you can list down the differences and you can inform the differences of stockist in one go. As the data is fetched from SAP while posting, the invoice references, the rate scheme, all, and the sales organization, all this data is taken directly from SAP, which basically helps in accurately posting the data in SAP and generating the orders in SAP. So far we are satisfied by using this system. Thank you.
So thank you for watching the complete video. Please feel free to contact me for demo.